Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today I thought of learning embroidery. So what I did was, like, in order to take an action, I bought one embroidery basic kit from Amazon. So I got this for I guess near to the rupees 300-350 or so. So where when I open that kit, I can see there is a instructions, basic instructions with the pattern showcasing how you can stitch that, and there is a one set of a thread, like we have few colors in this. So as I'm learning, I will be using this, and there is a hoop which is present, and they have also attached the needle in the hoop so that I can use it. There are almost two needles. Okay, and this is the fabric they have shared, where they have printed the designs and they have shared the steps in that. So there are two fabrics with the help of which you will be able to learn the embroidery. Okay, they have also shared one scissor. So overall, this is the basic kit which I received from Amazon.